Hello, all are welcome to today's webinar section. In this webinar, I am going to show how we can manage an online retail shop by using an Odoo ERP. I am Asaf, Odoo Functional Expert from Cyberosys Technologies. I hope everyone can hear my voice. If anybody have any doubts in between this webinar, you can ask the questions and doubts in the chat box. My colleagues will be the online to answer each question. Now let us start the webinar. Welcome to Functional Training 2020. As we discussed before, now I am going to show how we can simply manage an online retail shop by using an Odoo ERP. Today's main agenda is how to publish product on your shop, creating products and its variant, setting up payment methods, creating your website, managing delivery methods, creating seasonal discounts and price list, how to use alternative product, then how to use accessory product, and how optional products helps to maximize and sell more. And about Cyberosys Technologies is a private limited ISO certified company established in 2008. We have 3 branches in India, 1 branch is in UK. Then why Odoo ERP? We know that Odoo has 5 million plus users across the world. It is an open source ERP software. This have 5 million users with proven products, globally accepted application, then high quality at reasonable price. 20,000 plus ready to use modules are available. All are fully integrated modules, expanding day by day. Now let us briefly discuss the benefit of Odoo e-commerce. In the case of design and configure, inline editing, we can create product pages using Odoo's unique edit inline approach option. No code is required. What you see is really what you get. Then building block system, create your product page from scratch by dragging and dropping pre-made options. Fully customizable building blocks are available. Describe product in a table to give maximum of specifications. We can also sell digital products if we are using the Odoo e-commerce. Then also support multi-store e-commerce. Professional themes are available. Word processor text editing, easily create and update your text content through an editor designed to replicate the word processor experience. And Odoo e-commerce also support the product variants creations. We can create a product available in several variants, like we can create the attribute on the basis of size and colors and also other attributes. Then price list product and stores. We can create flexible price list, add variants to add to product options, and create multiple stores under the environment, display available stock on product. Then online form builder, we can build appealing custom web forms and easily capture visitors information. Then in the case of integrated tools, we can manage cross-selling and upselling. The suggest optional products or related to items to increase your revenue. Then option to boost sales, we can define product categories, use attribute search, focus on promotions, coupons or gifts certificates, and push best product to the top of your page in order to multiply your sales. And also support promotional or coupon scores. Abandoned cart options are available in Odoo e-commerce. In the case of payment and shipping methods, Odoo e-commerce also support the world famous payment method like PayPal support, Ogion support, Adyen, Bukaro, Authorize.net, and SIP's word line. Then also Stripe payment method is also support. Online payment methods redirect to customers to a thank you note page on your website. Then we can also create shipping rules. We can define rules to calculate the cost of delivery on the based on weight, price, and more criteria. And also support other payment methods. We can create a bank transfer or check to offer more options to your customers. In the case of shipping methods, Odoo eCommerce also supports world famous shipping method companies like Odoo support DHL, UPS, USPS, FedEx, and La Poste shipping connectors. If you want to add more connector, in that case we can create new connectors also based on the company structure. Then in the case of shopping experience, we can say easy search system is available. Make finding product easier by setting attributes on products like size, colors, powers, and customer onboarding. Set up step by step instruction to help customers go to checkout with no blocking issues. The guest and registered users, customers can choose to create a user profile or as guest. A registered user can retrieve their contact information upon checkout and access a portal including related messages, orders, invoices, or then registered claims. In the case of we can skip shipping address no more required when providing only the services. The product comparator option is also available. Live chat embedded option is available. We can also easy checkout process. The customer portal, in the case of customer portal, access tracking of orders, advanced shipping rules, and return management through the customer portal. Then in the case of order review, see details of your orders at the end of the process. Then wishlist option is available. In that case, shoppers can add product to a wishlist, or returning customers will use it to buy their favorite item faster. Then in the case of billing and accounting, we can calculate and bill shopping costs. The get delivery cost computed automatically using orders embed delivery method configurator. Then in the case of chart of accounts, use the custom package template to build your own chart of accounts. It embeds a set of generic preset accounts, tax and more. Tax rate, the physical position allowed to you to adopt tax rate to the where about your customers. So physical position through we can manage the tax rate by using the Odoo e-commerce. Integrated accounting packages is available. In the case of reporting section, we can highlight the best product in the terms of quantity sold, find the best customers in the terms of revenue, display a graph with your monthly sales per product and add it to your dashboard. Group your sales by partner and display the product in the column header. In the case of dashboard, the next actions to do are available on the dashboard like order to invoice, payment to receive, shoppers to review, etc. Now let us come to the very important part of this webinar. In this webinar, we have a business challenges to better understanding of Odoo e-commerce. That is, Juhi Fashion Hub is a local retailer of clothes and fashion accessories. They had captured the local market before coming COVID-19 pandemic. But after COVID-19 pandemic, they lost 50% of the customers as their customers stopped to go directly into their retail shop. And also customers moved to online e-commerce website to buy their required product. To manage such issue, Juhi Fashion Hub's management is decided to implement an online platform system and also expand their business internationally. The solution is Odoo has an integrated solutions where they can manage every aspect of business on a single platform. Now let us start a demo. Here we can see I have created a database for Juhi Fashion Hub, and in this database I have installed a sales module, website modules, inventory, or then invoicing modules. To manage an online retail shop in Odoo, we need mainly the four types of modules: the sales modules, website and e-commerce, inventory, and invoicing. In the case of the company need to manage the accounting also, in that case the company should install the accounting module also. But here I have installed the four types of modules. And then now first let us go to the website module. By click on website module, now we have reached the dashboard of website. Now first let us check the configuration part of website. By click on configuration under the settings. Here we can see under the settings all available options from Odoo eCommerce. In the left side we can see the website title. Here we can see the Juhi Fashion Hub and the language available on your website. The Odoo eCommerce also supports we can manage multiple language by using an Odoo ERP. That means if the company need to publish their website in multiple languages, in that case here we can install new languages. For an example, by click on install new language, here I'm going to select the French. By click on load, that language will be shown here. In that case we can select that language from here. In this case, in this way we can manage multiple language by using an Odoo eCommerce. Now the customer account option, let us or your customers log in to see their document, and here we can also the website logo. By click on website logo, here I am going to add my company logo. This is Cybrosis logo I just given for the reference. And Odoo eCommerce also support Google Analytics, the social media. We can add links to social media on your website. The features Odoo eCommerce also support multi-website. We can manage multiple companies' website by using an Odoo ERP. The Google Maps option is available. Link trackers option is available. In the case of products, also support product variants, optional products, digital content. We can also support, I already said earlier, we can sell digital content by using an Odoo eCommerce, and also support wish list. The product comparison tool we can manage. In the case of pricing, we can manage the pricing on the basis of tax excluded and tax included. And also price list option is available. We can manage different types based on company structure. The discount option is available. We can give the grand discount on sales order line, and multi-currencies, and also support multi-currencies. In the case of shipping, Odoo eCommerce support the world famous shipping companies like UPS, FedEx, bpost, DHL, USPS, ECPost. And then we can also manage the shipping cost. The invoicing, we can manage the invoice what is ordered, then invoice what is delivered. Then we can manage the automatic invoice, generate the invoice automatically when the online payment is confirmed. In the case of orders follow-up, we can manage the assignation person like the sales team, the salesperson, the confirmation email also. we can send email to the customers after the checkout. So in this case, if we need to integrate our email by Odoo ERP. In the case of abandoned cart, the sender recovery email when cart is abandoned. So in that case, we can set up the hours for the abandoned carts. In this webinar, I am going to enable the major important feature of Odoo e-commerce. So here I just go enabling with variant, with optional product, then price list, discount, shipping cost. Okay, fine. By click on save option, these features will be enabled. Just a second, the system is loading. Just a second, system is loading. Seems network is too low. Just a second, these features will be enabled. Let us refresh this page. I hope this enabled features is already enabled. Now let us back to the dashboard by click on e-commerce dashboard. Now let us go to the e-commerce website by click on go to website option. Now we just reached to Odoo website. We know that website is the face of every company, so the company must need to build an attractive pages in the website. In Odoo e-commerce, we can create pages with only the functional knowledge of Odoo e-commerce. We don't require any technical and coding knowledge to build a basic website pages. That is the one of the most important feature of Odoo e-commerce. Now let us check how we can manage and create a website. By click on edit option. Here we can see, before that, here we can see the home page, the shop option, the contact. Here you can see the mobile preview option is also available. Here we can see the mobile preview. Odoo Enterprise also support the mobile preview options, so we can simply manage and see the website from our mobile phone. Now I am going to build a website homepage by click on edit button. In the left side, here we can see many of the options, the blocks and options. Here I am going to drag and drop this cover into this page. Then I am going to drag and drop this option, and we can also give the catchy headline for this website page, the based on the company business. Here I just given 20% offer on all products. Or then save. Here we can see that option, that content is shown here, and we can also edit. In the case of if we need to change these background images, in that case we can upload our images. Here we can see all available already installed images from Odoo. If our company's images is not available here, we can upload our own image by click on upload an image. Here I just select my cover image and by click on optimize. Here we can see we have configured our image into this home page. Then I am going to add another picture to this website. Here this picture is I'm going to delete by click on delete option. This second picture we can also delete, and then also we can change this background image what we done before. To do that, by click on background option, we can upload our own image. By click on choose option, by click on optimize. Here we can see that option is also shown here. Now we have configured the second images to this website page. We can also give the punchy headline based on our business. Then I am going to, we know that the social media pages is very important. So in this case we need to integrate the social media into our website. So in that case we can simply add the social media pages into our website. Here you can see the social media blogs. Just a second. Here we can see the social media page, the company team, reference, form builder. Here you can see the share option blocks. By drag and drop this option, the social media page will be added to this page. Here we can see the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and the messages options also. By click on save, fine. Now you can see we have simply created a website home pages. Again, if we want to edit this page, we can again click on edit option, so we can add, drag and drop this option to this page. Okay, fine. Now in this case, if we want to add new website page, in that case we can add new page or based on our company's business flow. In that case, here we can see the plus new option. By click on new option, here we can see the new page. By click on new page, here I am going to add new page into my website about my company. By click on continue button, here we can see we have created a new page that is about my company. And also if we want to edit this page also, we can add picture to this page, and also we can change this background image. If our background image is not available in this block, we can upload the new picture, and also we can upload video to our website. We can link our video URL, add to video URL into this tab, and also by click on add option, this video URL will be published to this website. Now I am going to add some image to the new page. By click on optimize, here we can see the new page is shown here. I'm going to delete this option. By click on save. Here we can see now we have created another home page and also given a new picture into this home page. In this way we can simply manage and create website pages. In this case, if we want to add our company's team members, in that case we can add our team members into this page. In that case we can simply manage drag and drop options like the team profile into this page. Here we can see, here we can add our company's team members into this home page. In that case we can simply edit this team members profile by click on save option. This will be updated here. In this way we can simply manage and create the website home pages. I hope everyone can understand how we can simply manage and create a website pages from Odoo eCommerce. Now let us come to the very important part of Odoo eCommerce. Now first let us go to the shop option by click on shop. Here we can see and messages that no product is defined here. That means we didn't create any product to this e-commerce shop. To see any product into this website, first we need to create a product in the e-commerce website and also the database of Juhi Fashion Hub. Now to show that product here, now let us back to the database by click on website module. By click on product. When we select the published product, we cannot see any product here because we didn't create any product into this database. Now I am going to create a new product. I am creating a new product as a chart. The product is storable product. We can also give the internal note based on this product or nature. Here I didn't give any internal note. Excuse me. Okay. Here I didn't give any product variant for this product. Under the sales, here we can select the optional product for this product, but here I didn't give any optional product because firstly I am going to create this product. We can also give the sales description. This note is added to the sales order and invoices. Well, if we given any description here, that description will be added to the sales orders and invoices. Here also I didn't give any sales description. Under the e-commerce, here we can see under the shop option, here we can see the categories: availability, alternative products, accessory products. Here we can see the category. Here we can create new category for this product. Here I am going to create chart category by click on save and close. That category will be created here. And under the availability option, here we can see the 4 types of option. The first option is sell regardless of inventory. That means the order system will not be look at the stock of the product. The second option is the show inventory on website and prevent sales if enough stock. That means show inventory on website and the prevent sales if not enough stock. In the case of the stock is not available, in that case the system will be prevent the sales. The third option is show inventory below a threshold and the prevent sales if enough stock. Then fourth option is show product with specific notification. But here I am going to select the third option, that is show inventory below a threshold and prevent sales if not enough stock. Here I am going to select the threshold limit as a 5. Here we can see the alternative product and accessory product. Here also I didn't give any options because I am going to create the first product. In the right side we can include the product image. Here I am going to add my product image. Here we can see we have successfully updated the product picture, and the tab we can see the go to website option, the traceability, the number of sold option on the on hand quantity, the forecasted quantity also, and also we can see the reordering rules. In the case of add a media, extra media, by click on add a media. In the case of, we know that the major e-commerce websites, the customer might be need to see the video of product. In that case the company should be link the product video URL to the product. In that case we can add the video URL. Here I am going to add a video URL. Just a second. This video option is just for better understanding. Now I have copied and paste this video URL and save and close. Here we can see that video option is came here. By click on save and close, and we can also add the images. By click on save and close. This extra product media options will be shown here. This also will be shown in the e-commerce website. Now I am going to save this option. Now let us check how this affected in Odoo e-commerce website. To see that in e-commerce, let us go to the website. Here we can see that created product is here. Here we didn't give any product price, so I'm going to back to the product page and given a product price for this chart. By click on save, 100 USD is the product price. Then go to the website. Here we can see that product is shown here. By click on show, here we can see that created product is here. We can see the product price here. We can update the quantity. Here we can't add more quantity here because this product no stock is available in this database. So here we can see the temporarily out of stock this product, and if we want to add more picture of this product, in this case if we want to see the product video, that video URL will be updated here. In this way we can create a new product, and also that product will be created and added into the Odoo e-commerce website. Now we can see this product is not stock, so that means we cannot sell this product. Now let us go back to the backend. Here I'm going to update the quantity of this product. I'm going to update the quantity as a 50. By click on apply button, this quantity will be updated this database. Here we can see now the on hand quantity is 50 and also the forecasted quantity is 50. Now I again going back to website, e-commerce website. Here we can see after updating the quantity, the product is now in stock. After updating the quantity, we can also add more products. Okay, fine. Next, now let us check how we can manage and provide the seasonal discount on products. We know that some companies will be provide the seasonal discount on the products, the based on some seasonal time like the Christmas offer and the new year offer, any something like that. So in that case, we need to manage the seasonal time discount. In that case, the e-commerce, the company should know how to manage that seasonal discount. Now let us check how we can manage that seasonal discount by using an Odoo ERP. To know that, now let us back to the backend database. Sorry, here we can see the extra price option. While we clicking the extra price option, here we can see the price rule. The price rules means in some case the company will be provide the discount like the base on the basis of seasonal time, on the also the on the basis of quantity. So in this way, by using these price rules, we can provide the price discount on the basis of minimum quantity and also on the basis of price and on the basis of seasonal time. Now let us check how we can create a price rules on the product. To create a price rule, by click on create button, a default price list will be shown here. We can see the applied product here. The product is here. Here I'm going to, if the customer is buying 20 products at once, so that means the product price will be the 90. By click on save, that price rules will be created here. Here I have a created a price rules on product chart. Now that is, here I have selected the minimum quantity 20 and also the price is 90. That means when a customer is purchased 20 quantity, in that case the product price will be 90. Now I am going to create another price rule on the basis of time. By click on create, again I select the products chart. AG. Here I'm going to add the time for this discount, then July 23rd to July 31st. This means when a customer is buying a product in between this time period, in that case the customer will get the price, product price will be 80. So that means initially we created this product for the rupees of 100. In that case the product price will be decreased from 100 into 80. Now let us check how it's affected in Odoo e-commerce website. Go to website option. Here we can see now the product price is reached to 80 because we have created a price rules on this product in this time period, because we have selected time period is 23rd July into 31st July. So today date is 24th, so that means the price is decreased from 100 into 80. Now while we choose the quantity as a 20, here we can see the quantity is 90. The product price is decreased from 100 into 90. That means we have created a price rules on the basis of quantity. That was when a customer is selected the 20 quantity, the product price will be 90. In this way we can create the seasonal discount, and also we can manage the product discount on the basis of quantity and also on the basis of seasonal time. Okay, now I am going to create a product with variant. Okay, I hope everyone understood how we can manage a product without variant, and also how we can create price rules on the basis of quantity and also on the basis of seasonal time. Now I am going to create a product with variant. Edit backend, by click on create. The product name is t-shirt. Product type is storable. Under the variant, here we can create new variant based on our product. Under the attribute, we know that every company will be have the product, so that product will have the different price on the basis of different variant. For an example, in the case of shirt, there will be have an attribute on the basis of size and colors. In the types of color, there will be have different types of colors like red, black, blue, something like that. In the case of size, there will be have different types of size like large, medium, small, something like that. Now here let us check how we can manage the product with variant. Here I am going to create a new attribute, size, value medium, create medium as a value, and also the large, create the large, and also add attribute on the basis of colors, color, blue and black. Here I have created two attributes, that is size and color. Under the size, I have added two value, that is medium and large, and under the colors I have added two value based on blue and black. Now under the sales, here we can see the optional product. Here we can see the under the optional product we can see the free delivery charges on shirt. If you want to add new optional product, here I am going to create a new optional product, that is warranty. Warranty should be the service. So I'm going to sales price 20 USD and also add the warranty image by click on save and close. These options will be shown here. So here I have selected warranty as a optional product, Under the e-commerce, here I am going to create new category as a t-shirt. By click on save and close, this category will be shown here. Under the availability, here I am going to select the first option, sell regardless of inventory. While we choose this option, the order database will not be look at the stock of the product. Here we can select the alternative product. Here I am selecting shirt. This product first we created. Under the accessory product, here I didn't give any accessory product. By click on save, here we can see we have created a new product with variant, and also give the product price. T-shirt price is 50 USD. By click on save, this product will be created. Here we can see we have created the 4 variant. Now I'm going to configure the variant. The configure variant means every variant will be have the different price. Now let us check how we can manage and give different price on the basis of product variant. To do that, we should go through the configure variant. By click on configure variants, here we can see all available product variants. Here I am going to add extra price on the basis of variant. By click on edit, here I am going to give extra 10 for medium, and also the large. I'm going to add 15 USD extra, and the blue I'm going to add 25 extra. Black 22. By click on save, by back to the product variant, here we can see we have successfully configured extra price on product variant values. Now when we click on product variant, here we can see the product. When we select the publisher product, here we can see all available product. Here the t-shirt have with different variants like medium blue, medium black, large blue, large black. Now I am going to add some picture for this product. By click on product variant, here we can add t-shirt blue. Here we can give the t-shirt blue picture. Then medium black, here we can select the black picture. The blue large, here we can, it's already blue. Again I am going to black for this black large. Now here we have created a product with variant, and also we have configured the extra price on the basis of product variant. Now let us check how it affected in Odoo e-commerce website. To know that, we should go to the website by click on go to website. Here we can see by click on shop option. Here we can see the product shirt product is here, and the t-shirt is here, and also the warranty product is here. By click on t-shirt, here we can see the product price is 85. When we select the large, this product price will be increased. In this way we can create products, and also we can manage the products variant in different ways. Now I'm going to create the payment method. We know that the payment method is very important, because that without a proper payment method we cannot complete the delivery process, and also the customer cannot pay through the online. So in that case the payment method is very important. Now let us check how we can manage and create the payment methods. Now again I'm going to edit backend. Under the configuration, here under the e-commerce, here we can see the payment occurs. By click on payment occurs, here we can see all available payment methods. During this webinar earlier I already said Odoo e-commerce also support the wire transfer, also support the PayPal system, authorizer.net, Ingenico, Adyen, Alipay, Payulatum, Bukaro, PayuMoney, SEPA Direct Debit, SIPS, Stripe. In the case of our payment method is not listed here, in that case we can also create our own payment method based on our company's structure. Now I am going to create a new payment method just for the test purpose. By click on create button, I am going to create a new payment method, payment test. We can also select the as a enable option, and also I can select the payment follow-ups and payment journal. Here I am going to select the bank as a journal. Under the message, here we can see we can give the payment messages here. When after the complete the payment, these messages will be shown here. So that messages show your payment has been successfully processed, but it waiting for approval. Here we can create new content based on our business. Under the configuration, here we can see the countries. This means we can list out the countries. For example, if the Juhi Fashion Hub is decided to give this payment method is only for the particular countries, in that case when we select any country from this list, for an example here, when I am while I choose this Angola as a availability country, in that means this particular country only gets this payment method. Here I didn't select any country, so I'm going to delete this option. When we select this particular country, so that means this payment method will be get that particular countries only. By click on save option, now I'm going back to payment occurs. Here we can see that payment test new payment accuracy is shown here. Next I'm going to create a shipping method. After giving a payment a customer to the company, in that case the payment process will be completed. After that the company should deliver that product into the customer. So in that case the delivery department is very important. So in that case the shipping method process is very important. Now let us check how we can manage the shipping methods. To manage the shipping methods, under the configuration option, here we can see the shipping method. By click on shipping method, here we can see already available shipping method here. By click on free delivery charges, this shipping method is already created here. I am going to edit this delivery charges, test delivery charges. We can create the shipping method in two ways. The first way is we can create the delivery method on the basis of fixed price. Here I am going to create on the basis of fixed price. Here I can select the fixed price. Here the given amount is 30. Here I didn't give any rules for this shipping method. And also we can enable this option. When we enable this option like free if the order amount is above, in this case when we select this 1000 USD, in this case when the order is above 1000 USD, that means the delivery charges will be free. Here I have selected the fixed price as a 30. Under the description, here we can give the description. This will be displayed on the e-commerce and add and online quotations. And next option is the destination availability. When we select any particular country from this list, that means this shipping method only available for that particular countries only. Here I didn't select any country. By click on save option, here we can see the test delivery charges. Here I have created this test delivery charges based on fixed price. Now I am going to create a new delivery method based on some rules. By click on create button, delivery new based on rules. This is just given for the example for the better understanding. Here I am going to select based on rules. By click on based on rules, there will be an extra options will be shown here. Add a line. Here we can create new pricing rules based on weight and volume, price and quantity. Here I am going to create new rules on the basis of price. By click on price, here I am going to select greater than, equal to, greater than. If the product price is above 200, the delivery cost will be 0. This means when a product price is equal to, greater than 200, that means the product delivery cost will be 0. Save and close, and also create add a line. Again I select the price and selecting less than, equal to, given the 200, and the delivery cost will be the 20 USD. This means when the product price when the product price is less than 200, that means the delivery cost will be 20 USD. Now I am going to save and close, and we can also create pricing rules on the basis of quantity. For example, if the quantity is greater than 20, that means the delivery cost will be 0. Here I have created a new condition, that is when the quantity is above greater than 20, that means the delivery cost will be 0. Here I have created three price rules, shipping method rules. The first rule is when the product price is less than 200, or that case the product price will be 20 USD. When the quantity is above 20, in that case also the product price the delivery price will be 0. Now I am going to save this, and also we can select the delivery product from here. I am going to select t-shirt medium, by click on save. This shipping method based on rules will be created. While we back to the shipping method, here we can see these both options are enabled. Here we can also enable this enabled. We can publish it by click on save. Here we can see the both delivery method is published here. Now let us check how we can include the shipping method and also the payment method when a customer is buying a product. Now let us go back to the product. Okay, fine. Now let us go to the e-commerce website. Go to website option. Now we reach to the home page of Juhi Fashion Hub. Here we can see our home page of website. By click on shop option, here we can see all available list out products. Here we can see the shirt product and the t-shirt and also the warranty. Now I am going to buy black t-shirt. I'm going to select quantity is 20, quantity is 21, and add to cart. When we add to cart this product, here will be list out the available options. That means the optional products will be shown here. Here we can see we have created an optional product as a warranty. Here I am going to add this warranty into optional product. Now the warranty is also added to cart. Now here we can see in Odoo e-commerce, when a customer is added some product into Odoo e-commerce, and also for example it's like when a customer is added some product into the cart, in that time the order automatically created an quotation to the customer. Let us check how it is working or not. Here I am going to add cart this cart also. Process to checkout. Here we can see we have added this product into the cart. Now let us check how it's affected in sales module. We have added two products here. Here just need quantity warranty is only one warranty for this product. Now let us check how it's affected in sales module while a customer is added some product into the cart. By click on sales module. Go to the website here. By click on my cart. When we select the quotation, here we can see Odoo system automatically created a quotation. That means when a customer is added some product into the cart, that means order will be created and quotation. When we click on this quotation, here we can see the t-shirt 21 quantity and also the warranty. Okay, then I'm going to process checkout. Now after that, let us check how it will be happen in the sales module when we after completing this process checkout process. We can also customize this page on the basis of track visitor. Then I'm going to process checkout. By click on process checkout. Here we can see the customer deliver address. Here we can give the company name. Here I just give one and also give the VAT number. We can give the street address also. We can give York. New York. Also I'll give the zip code for the address, and we can also select the country. Here I am selecting United States, and also customize some features. Extra step option is if needed. In that case we can add that option. Then by click on next option, this page will be moved into the next stage. Sorry, here we can give the mobile number and also the VAT number. By click on next, I'm going to add city and also the country United States. By click on next. Here we can see there will be have the bill address and also the shipping address. If you want to add an address, by click on add an address. Here we can simply add new address. Then I am back to address. In the right side here we can see the product is here, the t-shirt warranty and subtotal, and taxes also configured here, and also the total amount is here. Here we cannot see any extra delivery charges. Now I am going to confirm this order by click on confirm. In the case of, if we want to give any reference, here we can give our reference. Here give our feedback, so the customer can give their feedback here. If something anything need to upload any document, here we can also update. Then by click on next option. Now we reach to the confirmation page of this order. Here we can see we can choose a delivery method. The test delivery charges is 0, and also delivery new based on rules free. Here we can see the delivery charges is 0 because that we had created a price rules on the based on rules. That rule was on the basis of quantity. That was when a customer is buying a product above 20 quantity, in that case the delivery cost will be 0. So that's why the delivery cost is shown as a 0. Now here we can see the pay with. Here we can select the wire transfer or the payment test. So here I am going to select the payment test, or this was we created before. And also by under the customize option, here we can add some options, like if the company need to add this accept terms and conditions options, in that case we can enable this option. When we enable that option, here we can see that terms and conditions option is shown here. So the customer can agree this option and also can select the payment method. Then by click on pay now option, the payment is processing now. Here we can see your payment has been successfully processed. Now let us check how it's affected in sales module after the payment. Now let us go back to the sales module. When we select the quotation, here we can see after the completing the payment, that quotation will be sent to the customer. By click on quotation, here we can see that quotation now moved to the quotation send stage. That means when a customer is started to give the payment, in that case the quotations will be sent to the customer. But still this sales order is not completed. Only these sales orders will be completed after completing the odds payment methods. Now I am going to by click on website module. Sorry. Now let us check my account of Juhi customer. Here we can see the quotation. By click on quotation, here we can see the quotation. Under the quotation here we can see the t-shirts, the warranty, delivery based on rule is the taxes 50, also the delivery cost amount is 0, the total amount is 2003.30 USD. Still this payment is not completed yet, so by acceptance sign the customer can complete this payment. By click on accept and sign, this payment will be completed. Here we can see your order has been confirmed. Here we can see the sales order. Here we can see the customer signature here. While we check this delivery order, by click on the delivery, here we can see the delivery method. And here we can see the pricing and also the history. Here we can see the sales order. Sorry. Now let us check how it's affected in sales module. When the customer is completed the payment, order automatically create and sales order. Now let us back to the quotation. Here we can see now that quotation is reached to the sales order stage. By click on here, the sales order is completed now. By click on delivery, so after that the delivery department can complete this delivery. Also check the availability. Then this product will be moved from warehouse 1 into the customer's location. Okay, I'm going to update this quantity 1. By click on validate. Here we can see now this delivery order is also completed. Now this is done stage. That means this product now delivered from warehouse to the customer location. When we check the delivery order, here we can see now the delivery order is completed. That means the delivery method is now shipped. While we click on this delivery order, here we can see the from warehouse 1 this shipped into the customer's location. In this way we can manage the delivery methods and delivery from warehouse to the customer. Now let us go back to the website. Johi account. Here we can see all sales order. By click on sales order, here we can see all history from here. Now let us come to the home page. In this way we can manage an online retail shop by using an Odoo ERP. In this webinar I have covered basically how we can create a product without variant, and also how we can create a new price rules on the basis of seasonal time and also on the basis of quantity. and also how we can provide the seasonal discount, then how we can manage and create a product with variants, and also how we can give extra price, and how we can configure the product variant in the order e-commerce website, and after that how we can manage the optional product and also the accessory product also. Then we have discussed how we can manage the shipping methods on the basis of fixed rules, and also on the basis of some rules, like how we can create new rules on the basis of quantity, on the basis of price, and also we have discussed how we can manage the payment methods, how we can create new payment method. Now, alright, now I am going to wind up this web functional webinar. I hope everyone is understood how to manage an online retail shop by using an Odoo ERP. Here I have covered only with the basic feature of Odoo e-commerce. If anybody have any doubt on Odoo, you can drop an email to odoo@cybrosys.com, and also you can visit our YouTube channel and website for better understanding of Odoo ERP. And once again, I would like to say hearty thanks to everyone to part of this webinar. Thank you.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.